Oh, pretty. It's paper.
It's like Christmas time in here.
It is.
See, Mama? That's the outfit.
Wow.
And we're on the fourth floor.
Wow. She said wow. Let's look at all the animals. Oh, there's an elephant.
That's a python.
Oh, yeah. There's. Oh, and there's Stella's macaw.
Birdie, I missed you. Contact?
Yeah. See Stella's bird
Yeah.
that we made? Oh, look at the ocelot.
Huh?
Yeah, cat.
Where's the ocelot?
Right there.
Oh, yeah.
There's a boa constrictor.
Oh, yeah.
There's Stella's. Yeah. Isn't that awesome? She did half of that by herself.
She did 1/4 of that all by herself.
Yeah. Look at
Hi, Veronica.
Ooh, snake. Look at the snaky snake. Snaky snake.
Veronica, when you go by that tree, look for a bird.
Oh, look at that.
Look for a bird over there. Let's way down here.
Oh. Sorry, baby girl, I can't put you down. Oh. That? Oh. Oh my goodness. Who made the big cheetah?
I don't know.
That is cool.
Mama.
Oh, yes. Oh, yeah, there's another, like, parrot.
Veronica, yours is coming up. That's a sloth.
Oh, yeah. Oh my god, this is so cool. This is really neat.
Hey, that's our radio.
Like I hear water running. This is really good.
That's a water fountain.
I see. Oh, there's a toucan and a bat. Look at the teeth on that bat. That is hilarious.
No, Brittany, this one is mine.
Oh, and a armadillo.
I saw it. Ooh.
Look at that bird, Nora. Look at that one up there. Oh, yeah.
That's Valerie. It's made out of fur.
Yeah, another cat.
Huh?
Yeah.
I want a cookie.
Wow.
Fuzzy owl.
That is good. Oh, look, there's a giant spider back there.
Giant spider where?
Oh, pretty.
Look at this giant.
Oh, yeah, Mia.
That's not me, it's Maya.
Maya, I mean. Mio, Maya.
Oh, look what's in there.
Is this the lower bridge or is it a school?
I think